All right, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So we're gonna do the market recap. We're gonna go over the trades that I took this morning, according also with the breakdown that I sent you guys this morning. So I took two trades this morning, US 30, and then we took some gold position. So we're gonna start off first with US 30. So this morning I explained to you guys pretty much that I will be looking for buy position according of the daily time frame, obviously from the higher time frames. Right now we did get exactly the same exact move that I gave you guys. So notice how price broke above the 38,800. What I simply waited for was for those proper pullback. Notice how price gave us the opportunity twice during the New York session, right? So the first push when I sent you guys the breakdown was pretty much this push into the upside. We got the first pullback around 8:30, which obviously caused the market to push back into the upside. The New York session opens up, we pull back into the same exact zone, and as you guys can see, price rejects this area and then once again has to push back into the upside. Now my entry was right after this break and retest, so obviously notice how price broke above it. This is the area that I told you guys to wait for. We got a clean 1 hour candle closure above these zones over here. All I waited for was for those proper pullbacks, right? We got those pullback into the lower time frame. Like I always tell you guys, whenever we break above the higher time frame, just wait for those minor pullbacks between the 30 to the 5-minute time frame. Cool. Notice how price pulled back. Boom. This was my entry right over here off the 15-minute time frame. So my entry was literally this candle over here. Once we got the pullback, we got the rejection. I waited for a bullish candle closure, which in this case is gonna be this 15-minute candles right over here. I had my stop loss. I believe the stop loss was like a 38,780 or 70 was my stop loss, and then obviously I would target a 1 to 3 risk to reward trade. This trade ended up playing out for over a 1.5 risk to reward trade, which is still cool. I will still take the profit, and then obviously we got taken out of break even, but it was a very easy trade. Literally how I explained to you guys, just wait for those proper break and retest setup. Literally boom boom, this is your entry. You guys are good to buy. We're gonna go into gold. So gold this morning, I took the sell position from 2162, literally the same exact way that I explained to you guys, right? So check this out. Notice that price pulled back. We rejected it twice in a row. So after we rejected it for the first time over here, I set up the limit, which was at 2162, right? So once we got those first rejection, I set the limit at 2162, which in this case it did get active. We were in drawdown, literally a minor drawdown, and then price perfectly pushed into a downside hit. Take profit 3, which in this case it was 60 pips. I believe it was a 101.5 as well, if I'm not mistaken. Let me make sure. Yeah, like a 101.4 risk to reward trade, which is cool. It was over 60 pips, right? Now, very simple trade. I just waited for price to come into 2162. We rejected a couple times, and then I just pretty much set the limit at 2162, which in this case we broke under. Price pulled back, activated the trade, boom, push back into a downside. Very, very simple. So the analysis that I sent you guys this morning literally played out amazing. US 30 played out amazing. We caught some amazing buys. Gold played out amazing as well. We caught some amazing sells. Now, remember how I explained to you guys that I'll be looking for bounce plays around the 2153. We literally just missed this trade by a few pips, and then price perfectly just bounced to the upside. So this is no longer valid for me. I will be looking for new zones that I'll be interested in either taking sells or buy as well. So just stay tuned for that. I'll be sending you guys those analysis tomorrow morning. So pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.